Hey guys, it's Roger the Mechanic here again, and today I'll be reviewing a TOPDON Artibattery 101. This is a really cool device as you're able to test your battery, starter, and alternator. So the first thing you need to do in order to power it on is hook up the two cables to your battery. Red goes to the positive and black goes to the negative. So let me go ahead and do that. As you can see, the unit automatically powers on now. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and select my language as English. And I'm out of the vehicle, so click OK. And I haven't charged the battery, so I'm selecting before charge. And now it's asking me for the type of battery. I have a regular flooded, but they do have different categories. If you have an AGM flat plate battery, you can select that. AGM spiral battery, you can select that. Gel, like the Optima type of batteries. EFB, but in my case, I'm just going to be using the regular flooded, so I'll go ahead and click OK. Now it's asking for my CCA, which is what stands for cold cranking amps. On my battery, it's right here. You can see it's 660 amps. So I'm going to go ahead and input that and click OK. Now it's testing my battery as is. As you can see, this vehicle I'm working on has a bad battery. It's telling me to replace the battery. So now the next test we're going to do is I'll be testing the starter. So for the cranking test, it tells me to go ahead and start the engine. So let me go ahead and do that. As you can see, my cranking test shows up as normal, so that means my starter is good. Now for the next test, go ahead and click OK. I'll be testing the alternator, so that's a charging test. Click OK again. And now you can see it's telling me to increase my RPM to 2500 for 5 seconds and then press enter. So let me go ahead and do that. Now I'll go ahead and press enter. As you can see, everything's normal except for the battery that shows it has a low charge. So that's how you use this device. As you can see, it's really easy to use even for the average person. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.